In this video, we're going to complete the Khan Academy Challenge Fancy Font Families. So it's telling me about the page that is here, and it says that each of the lyrics paragraph have IDs. So what that means is we're in our CSS here, and we have the hashtag Flintstones, which is an ID that corresponds to this Flintstones paragraph right here. And that is on the page right here, and they want me to add a font family property and then use a generic family name font that works on all computers, and they gave me a list of the fonts that I can use. Okay, so what I need to do is scroll to the right place here. So I need to come inside my brackets for Flintstones, and I'm going to type font family. And then I need to do my colon, and it automatically adds the semicolon. I'm going to do a space, and then for this one I'm going to choose the fantasy font family. So I'm just going to type fantasy, and then that changed this text to look like this over here by doing that. And so for the Jetsons, I'm going to do a different one. So I'm going to do font dash family colon space, and let's do mono space for this one. And so it changed how this font looks. I need to do the same thing again for Adams. So I'm going to do font dash family colon space, and let's do cursive, if I can spell that right, cursive. Okay, so now this one looks cursive down here. So good job. Onward. I can go to the next step. Let's see what it wants me to do. Remember how to use the element selectors from CSS Basics. Use the body selector to make a new CSS rule that changes the font family for the entire page. Okay, so I want to select this body tag right here in my CSS. So I'm going to come to the top, and I don't need to use a hashtag or a period because I'm selecting everything in the body. So I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to type body, and then I'm going to do my curly brackets, and I'm going to type font family, and let's just do serif for this one. Okay, so now I've added serifs to everything, and that worked. So you can see that by adding the serifs, let's see if I can scroll to the right place here. So there's these little tiny edges added. Maybe you can see it on the T right there to those. If I came in here and I did sans serif, now there's no edge on these letters here. So that's what the difference is when you change those fonts. And that is how you complete this challenge.